Heikin Ashi candles are designed to make price action easier to read by smoothing out some of the short-term noise that appears on a standard candlestick chart. On tntrader, a regular candle shows the open, high, low, and close for each period. Heikin Ashi uses a modified calculation based on average price data. This means the candles do not show price in exactly the same way as standard candlesticks. Instead, they give a cleaner view of direction, momentum, and possible changes in trend strength. This can be useful because markets often move with small pullbacks, hesitation candles, and quick color changes. On a normal chart, that can make the market look more unsettled than it really is. Heikin Ashi helps reduce that visual noise, which can make the broader direction easier to follow. When the market is moving higher, Heikin Ashi will often show a sequence of bullish candles. Strong candle bodies with little or no lower wick suggest that buyers remain in control. This can help traders stay focused on the trend rather than reacting too quickly to minor pullbacks. When the market is moving lower, the opposite applies. A series of bearish candles with strong bodies and little or no upper wick suggests that sellers are still driving the move. The warning signs usually appear when the candle structure begins to change. Smaller bodies, longer wicks on both sides, or a shift from bullish to bearish candles can suggest that momentum is slowing. That does not automatically confirm a reversal, but it does show that the previous move may be losing strength. On tntrader, Heikin Ashi can be applied to different markets, including forex pairs, indices, commodities, and shares. It is especially useful when you want a clearer view of trend direction rather than focusing on every short-term price fluctuation. A practical way to use it is alongside key levels. If the market is holding above support and Heikin Ashi candles continue to show bullish strength, that can support a trend-following view. If price moves into resistance and the candles start to shrink or show wicks on both sides, it may suggest hesitation. Heikin Ashi can also be combined with tools such as moving averages, RSI, or support and resistance. For example, if the candles remain bullish while price is trading above a moving average, the trend structure may still be constructive. If the candles turn mixed while momentum indicators begin to weaken, it may be a reason to reassess the move. The main limitation is that Heikin Ashi candles are based on averages. Because of that, they can react more slowly than standard candles. They are useful for reading trend direction and market momentum, but they should not be used on their own for precise entries, exits, or short-term candlestick patterns. The key point is that Heikin Ashi candles on tntrader can help make the chart easier to interpret. They simplify price action, highlight trend behaviour, and help traders identify when momentum may be strengthening or fading. As with any chart type, they are most useful when combined with market context, key price levels, and a clear trading plan.